Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some hot sauce for you. I've got a neighbor that we go back and forth with giving food and everything else, and he likes to cook a lot, so we're always talking about food, and he had a lot of peppers that he wasn't going to use, so he asked me if I want them, so I took them. He had some Carolina Reapers, some Habaneros, and some Ghosts, so I figured I could make a hot sauce with them. It's pretty good. I only did half of Carolina and then one full Ghost, and the rest was Habanero. I'm not that brave. I like a little heat, but not enough to kill me, and that much heat probably would have killed me. But anyways, I took the peppers, cleaned them out, the seeds and ribs in it, and then made my brine for it. Then I added in some tomatoes as well into the food processor. And then I just mix it up, blend it up, and then let it cool off, put it in my jars, and then put it in the fridge, and it'll last in the refrigerator about 3 to 4 weeks. Probably longer if you wanted to, but just to be safe. But anyways, it's pretty warm, but it's manageable heat. It's not knock your head off or socks off heat. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.